Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have a new subscription box. This one is called Just Breathe. There's no T on that, just. And it is an aromatherapy box, but it also has some other things to make you happy. It's basically just a happiness box. So let's see what's in it. I'm excited. So it's around $30 a month. It's like $28.97 or something plus shipping, which for me was $5. So, you know, figure around $35. Hey. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so we have some teas, Buddha teas. Buddha tea, lavender tea. Oh, okay. Oh, that'll be nice and relaxing. I'll have a cup of this tonight. Nice. Some lavender essential oil whipped shea butter. Oh, okay, so like a little moisturizer with lavender in it. Let's give it a whiff, shall we? Oh yeah, that's super lavendery. It smells really good though. It's got an interesting texture, but it feels very lightweight, but then when you go to rub it in, it actually feels quite thick. Glad I just used a very small amount. Pretty aromatic. This is definitely the kind of thing that like, you know what I mean? Lavender body scrub plus organic lavender buds. Oh, this is a body scrub. It looks like it's just bath salts. Oh no, wait, I can see some oils in there because it's in like a little bag. I do love a good body scrub. I wonder if this is a theme, if like lavender is the theme of the month. I think this is one of their first boxes, so I don't know if the relax box, maybe that's it. Maybe that's like the theme and then each month would be a different one. I'm guessing. I don't know for sure. All the wonders you seek are within yourself. Just a little card, that's cute. Just Breathe lavender, what is this? Calming perfume, like a roll-on. Yeah, just, you know, put that. Ooh, this is jewelry. Oh, there's two things in here. Okay, oh, this is really cool. And then, is this a bracelet? A little bracelet with like a little heartbeat thing on it. That's what that is, right? And then the necklace is really cool too. Look at this. Isn't that neat? I love both of these. I want to see what it says about these. Let's see. Okay, so the essential oil roller. Our essential oil roller ball can be rolled on the lava ball of your necklace. Ah, okay. Or used as a natural perfume with simple ingredients of coconut oil and lavender essential oil. Shake and or warm oil in the palm of your hand before use. Okay. The essential body scrub. Relax with a sea salt body scrub. Use once weekly to remove dead skin to reveal a more vibrant and youthful skin and to allow easy absorption of skin moisturizers, while turning your shower into an aromatherapy haven with the smell of lavender essential oil. Our shea butter is ethically sourced from a small village in Ghana, safe to use all over the body to condition, tone, and soothe your skin. Aromatherapy handcrafted 925 sterling silver necklace chain adorned with a light sea blue metallic lava bead. Okay, how to use. Roll the lavender essential oil on the lava stone or drop on your own favorite essential oil. That's really cool. I love the way it looks, and to know that it's, you know, a little lava stone that can soak up your essential oils, that's really neat. I love that. And then the heartbeat bracelet, a silver toned bracelet with a heartbeat symbol to remind you to stay balanced, calm, and peaceful. There's a couple other little things in here too. Ah, oh my gosh, look at this. It's a little elephant. I love that. What a cute little elephant necklace. Ooh, chocolate. Dark chocolate mint truffle. I want to eat that right now. I'm going to save this. But it probably won't last long because that sounds really good. Let's see. And then on this little thing, it also says, great things to know, foods that help reduce anxiety. Brazil nuts, pumpkin seeds, and bananas, dark chocolate, berries, 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 oatmeal. Wow, well this is really awesome. This is great, you know, I mean, this is obviously the relax box. I'm sure that other boxes will have different themes, but I love this. You know, if you do have a stressful life, I mean, who doesn't, right? You know, or you get anxiety, I know I do. You know, it's nice to have things like this around that you can just kind of, you know, even just to remind yourself to breathe. And, you know, you breathe in those calming smells, those essential oils, and it really can help you. I'm telling you. So this is really awesome. Plus, I love the jewelry. How cool. What a fantastic box. Well, I will leave all of the information in the description box so you guys can check it out. Thank you, Just Breathe, for sending me this box. This is really beautiful. I love it. Actually, I might go make myself a cup of tea right now. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!